Hey y'all, this is Dave with Anchor Adventures. I finally got the boat launched last week, but had some pretty crappy weather all week, so I haven't been able to do much except sit at anchor. But today is a beautiful day and I am ready to try sailing. I have absolutely no experience sailing. I'm just gonna hoist up the sails and see how it goes. So my plan was to go around that and harbor in either the Saco or the Scarborough River, anchor in either the Saco or the Scarborough River. But I got out there and it's my first time ever being out there on the open ocean like that, and I got kind of scared, so I turned around and I'm gonna find an anchorage somewhere over there.